Anime LPS freak of nature. Yes, yes, yes. This user rocks. This user, is incredibly nice. She comments to very much a lot of people's videos. Like my channel, for an example. And she's been hated on, which I kind of feel very bad. And because Luke Green Team thinks Anime LPS freak of nature is a crybaby, even though she's not. That is wrong. And Luke's family and friends and Ryan Laney asked Mark Cameron TP. Also later, but they blocked her, but I need this channel to stay alive. This user comments to me like quite a lot, don't you think? Quite a lot on my videos, and I put the notifications on for the channel. Yeah, you know who likes this user? Everyone that subscribed to this channel. Kyle 19 Scritchfield, Super Junior DJ 317, Skade, and some others. We all wish that this user would get. We all wish that this user We all wish that this user would get to a million subscribers and have the community tab. Do you know who hates this user? The whole UTTP. Ryan Laney, yes. Current camera, no. Bradley Hauer. Ryan Laney, yes. Current. No. Luke's family and friends. HJ the Cool. And some other people that we hate. They wish they would want this user terminated, but they are not doing that. So, Anime LPS freak nature. If you're watching this, you rock and you rule. End of salute.